Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the live stream session. Let's just do analysis. Let me just check everything is going nice. Okay. All right. Everything is working fine, perfectly. So first of all, on gold, let's take a look at the monthly, weekly, and every time frame just to make sure where price is heading. So on a monthly, we are bullish still. On a weekly time frame, we are breaking the high of the previous candle. You can see that we have 1 day left. Totally, you can say 1 or 2 days here. Today's Thursday, tomorrow will be the last day. So yeah, 1 day left for weekly candle to close. Also, looking at the current daily candle, we have not yet break the high of the previous daily candle. Okay. Now looking at the 4 hour time frame, what I see here is that price did went up. Now it's flipping bearish. So if candle to flip bearish from here, I would like to look for some tries to create some structure or reject this high again. Then I'll be looking for sells at this point. Now looking at the 1 hour time frame, we do have some bearish candle at this point, but we like to see some rejection still again of the high we have here, right? If we do reject this area again, then most likely looking for sell and continue going down would be great. Okay. So for Asian session, we did trend for the upside. Then we had, I think yesterday at night, we had an important news on gold. So yeah, give me a moment. All right, yeah. So as I was saying that we had an important news. Let let's just do this. Okay. So tomorrow at 11:30, yes, we had an economic projection. Yeah, we had a rate cut. So that was really we were expecting 5.25, but that went to 5% only. So that was bad for currency. So overall, what we should be looking for here is you can see that USA is coming down, so gold started moving to the upside. So what we can see here is that looking for buys is way better than the uh, sells according to the fundamentals here. But at the same time, if I'm looking for today's news, what do we have today? So today at 6 p.m. we have unemployment claims. So what we're gonna do here is wait 1 hour. So at 6 p.m. we have some things to take care of. So we're gonna wait and see what we can get here. All right. In the meantime, if you have any questions regarding anything, you can just ask me. All right. Anyway, so yeah, we are doing good. Amazing. So yeah, at this point, we just wait for we have a news at 6 p.m. and at 5:30 we start into the New York session. We go into the New York session, so we're gonna wait for the New York session to start at this point. because you can see price have been trending to the downside, but in London session and Asian session, we have went to the top side here, all right? So what I'll be looking for is either we should have something like this. Price should reject this one or two times, or maybe come down at least, then reject. Then I'm looking for some buys or similar to those things. Okay. So yeah, looking at the GBPUSD at this point. Let me see what I can do here. All right, yeah. So as I was saying, let's do some analysis on this pair, GBPUSD. So after breaking a high here on a monthly basis, this resistance point, we are seeing price have made continuously, like price on bit going up. So looking at this area we have here, even on weekly and daily basis, what I can see is price have break the highs completely here. And based on 4 hour time frame, if we get another break above at this point, then I should be looking for buys. I'm gonna target the high we have here. So that's like 137 pips. That means we have a lot of volume on GU this time compared to. So if we here's the thing, right? If we do reject this area again, okay, and then we come above the structure, or if we create some kind of a structure similar to this and break above this area, then I think this will be my buy entry, because we are breaking the high again. Okay, and once we break above this area, then we could easily target the high we have here. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm looking for right now. So we'll wait and see what we can get on GU today. So I'm gonna write it that waiting for a retest likely no. Looking at the GJ. Okay. So we were looking for break of structure here on at that day. And after that, price have just completely started coming up. So remember what I told you guys when I did the analysis before as well, that you know if we are creating a high on a smaller time frame, so we should be coming up at this point, like coming to the monthly high low or something like that. So now at this point, like looking at the 30-minute time frame especially, all right. So let me just put my phone on silent because I'm gonna be distracted. All right, yeah. So as I was saying that price have creating a high and lower low here at this point. So what should be looking for is something like again a break of structure or retest. I think we did got the retest on a 15-minute time frame. I can say that much here. We did got the retest here after break of the structure. Now price did made a high and coming back down. So what we can look for is another rejection here, and then continue going up, right? So we're gonna wait for the session to start. We're gonna wait for New York session to start, and something like this will be a good chance for a better entry point at this point. All right. So that's just given overview that what we are looking for. Just gives you another overview that we are waiting for a retest of a monthly high here. Then we are looking for price to continue going up. because I'm not expecting much volume to the sell side today. I'm looking for buys only. So let's see what we can get. Also for gold, as I mentioned, that either we should see something like this, and rejection, break above, something similar structure like this one. Then I'll be interested in buys. Otherwise, we're gonna wait and see what we can get. All right. So in the meantime, if you have any questions or something to ask for, just let me know in the comment section. That's all. Also, guys, if you don't know, we are still running the giveaway. So if you be interested in that, link will be in the description. You can just join through that. All right. We have 15 minutes. I'm gonna be waiting for price to do something. We have okay. So I need to make a phone call. I'll be back in a. Sorry, I was saying that I need to make a call. I'll be back in 5 minutes. All right. So yeah, I just did that. Now, what do we have? Price is still like waiting at this point because how much time we have? How much time? 10 minutes. We have 10 minutes before we go to the session. Yeah. Price is moving nice here. Question is what we're gonna get on gold. Okay, I'm interested in gold mostly. So let's see what we can get there. This could be a good trade and the start of the entire session. Like this price does look good. Like we could, oh, we have 10 minutes left. So after 10 minutes, we get a closure on a 1 hour time frame. So if we get a break above this area, then we should be continue coming up to 295, 2595. That would be exactly 50 pips or so. So that's fine. We're just going to wait to see what we can get. So we have 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, we're gonna get some volume because we'll. So the NY session will just start. So let's see. Let's see what we can get in this one. Now I'm just gonna wait for this candle to close and see what we can get on G at this moment. Also for GJ, similar things. We're gonna wait for the candle to close now and see in investigation if our trades are right or not. We got 3 minutes. In next 3 minutes, we're gonna get. We'll see. I mean, how price is moving at this point. I would still love to wait because price is not giving me such sign that you should take this trade or that. There's no yet much good setups. So, nothing. As for this, I mean, 15 minutes after what do we have? 1 minute left. So let's say even on this time frame, this is the yesterday high we have here. All right. If this current 15-minute candle, it does close above this area, I'm gonna wait and see how price is doing here. If we break the high, I'm gonna target this high and see what if we can get that trade. Nice. So New York session just started. Now let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Price is moving down. Nice. So once price do flip bullish and break the high, then I'll be looking for buys here. All right. Cool. We'll be looking for buys once we do flip bullish and break the high here. Just waiting for price to break the high at this point. Putting stop loss exactly below this area. And I'm going to target the high we have here. Okay. Nice one. Now let's see if we can get that. Flipping bullish here, but did not break the high yet. Plus did flip bullish, but did not break the high yet. So no trade at them. No trade at this point. Okay. Waiting for price to break the high still. If we do not do it in next 3 minutes or so, then it will be hard to, predict that this trade will go much. Okay. There we go. We did break the high. I'm in the trade now. Putting stop loss exactly below this area. That's 30 pips. Did we break the high? No, we did not actually. Technically, we did not. We are still at the same high, but I thought we did. Anyway, I mean, we are in the trade now. Can't do much. So I'm going to close partials once we hit 2593 or so. All right. Then the trade now. Let's see if we can. So we have taken cold buys. Will we get? You see, this is a really strong support zone at the same time. So once we do hit the zone, then if we do come back down, it will hold the support zone at the same time. So once we do hit the zone, I'm going to close partials and let the trade run. But at this point, we just wait for price. Price could do multiple reactions here, something like this before coming up. So either it will just shoot up and then come down. So it will be a multiple positions. So I don't know what to say. But if we do break below this area, then we'll be coming down to these zones. So I don't want to hold this trade that much. So I'm just gonna, close here because yeah, that's what I'm looking for here. Also for GJ, pretty nice retest. Prices coming up as we expected. Same for GU. Now we cannot take the trade because we have entered into one trade, so cannot enter the another trade on this now if I want it to be. Also, we on GU we would like to see the price to break above and above yesterday high. We have then it will be good to take the trade. Right now, no. So as for this, we will just see and how price is doing then. Price is coming down. We have I think around 23 minutes. Also, like the thing is like our stop loss is not below the 30-minute candle. We could easily do get stop out, but I usually like what I'm looking for is that this 1 hour candle, if we are coming down this much, then we should be coming down here. I'm not looking for the sell opportunity here, but if we did break the high here, also we are breaking high of a 1 hour candle, previous 1 hour candle. This is a really good trade compared to compared to like buys from here, because I don't know when this will happen. What I look for here is a really good setup. So I think we can at least get 50% here till 2592 or so. So that would be a good trade here. Otherwise, we can still close partials at around 2591 or so once we do. I don't know how much is that? 2591 also. This is like 20 pips and this is like 30 pips. So we're gonna close at 20 pips. I think partials will be good. 20, 30 pips. So we're gonna wait and see. Yeah, we are seeing some volume at this on the market now. So let's see how long it will take to hit 50% in this trade. So this is the last 5 minute candle. It will be an important one because this will decide like the 15-minute candle will close bullish or bearish. On that basis, we can also manage our trade as well. Because if this candle do close bullish, then we should have enough volume to hit the 50%. But if it not, then we need to reconsider what we are doing here. In the last 3 minutes, question is how this candle gonna go. Are we gonna see a rejection? Are we gonna see nice bullish closure here? Minute, 2 minutes, 50 seconds. We have 1 minute left at this point. So let's say, I mean, price could drive up, drive down. So let's say if this current candle do close bullish, that is a good, and that is good in our favor. And we should see volume for price to at least close 50% at this point. And yeah, that will be a good trade then. So that would be a good start for NY session, I guess. Nice. So in last minute, President is trying to, close bearish, I guess. But we have 40 seconds. Let's see. All right. In last 20 seconds or 10 seconds, you can say price did, retested here, I guess, and now it's flipping bullish again. So if it does close here, then we should see that next candle should have enough volume to continue going up. And yeah, we're gonna be able to close at least 50% then. There we go. Nice one. So I think we are up around 10 pips on this trade. So we're still waiting. We did break the high, but now price is flipping bearish. That's not a good point. I mean, should we manage our risk and put below this candle? But that will be too tight stop loss, too tight. So I think we are good with our stop loss at this one. It won't give enough room for trade to play out. So I think our stop loss is good for now. But let's see. I mean, I thought after breaking the high of the previous candle, we should have price to drive up, but do not seems like that price will drive up here. Hmm. Also in 15 minutes we have news unemployment claim, which will decide as well where price will be heading, I guess. I mean, it will tell us that. Nice, price have volume to the. So okay, on a 15-minute time frame, what you see here is that we are still respecting the low at this moment, but once we do break below that, then we might be coming for a stop loss. But is the question is that are we gonna be breaking the low of the previous candle, or are we just doing a small retracement just to grab some liquidity to drive up completely? So these are the two things you need to think when you are in a trade, like how price driving and what can happen. Looking at the 5-minute candle here, is that price have a huge bearish candle compared to the bullish candle we had in the last 15 minutes. So price have more volume to the downside as well. So could break below here, but also keep in mind we have multiple rejections here. So this could be like coming up like this, going down, and then something like this we could see. But in the only thing that I avoid here is that coming back to the entry point and reject from this support zone, because most of the time what price does is that it does reject and go up, But in that those rejection, the wick, it does take out our stop loss, and then it started moving to the top. Now this is just the start of the 1 minute candle. It just started moving to the top. Really nice one. It just completely flipped the whole 15-minute candle there. So also keep in mind, once we hit this area, we're going to close partial immediately and let the rest of the trade run. So, you know, just to make sure that when you hit those zones, close partials. So, yeah. We have 7 minutes for the 30-minute candle closure here. So question is that what price going to do here? Like we did break the high, we went up, we break the high again. Now we are flipping bearish. So that doesn't give me much of a, proper sign that where price is heading at this point. But, but like, let's see what it's been doing here. So after 5 minutes, we have a news. So let's see how price does react. So also if we do, come down and hit the stop loss, keep in mind that we are managing our risk. Yes, I did took the usual lot size that I do too. And what I'm gonna do if we do break below this area, I'm gonna close partials. So that will be like give me like 16 or 10 pips, So that's how I'm gonna manage my risk at this point. But let's say in 5 minutes we'll see how price is moving because we got closure of 30-minute candle, and I'm expecting if this candle does close bullish, next candle will have enough volume to hit the partial zone that we are expecting here. In 2 minutes 18 seconds we got news. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we can do. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to hit the news in 1 minute 9 seconds. Question is, are we going to go up or down? So as soon as we hit this, go above this zone, I'm gonna close partials, put the stop loss at break even, and yeah, let the rest of the trade run. But if you do hit the stop loss, I don't know. But let's hope that we do not hit the stop loss. No. In 29 seconds. So look at that. We did get the stop out. There was a huge volume. Damn. What kind of a number came out here? This is good for USD, good for USD again. Damn, numbers are looking really good for USD. So gold is going down, I guess, because of that. So it did got stop out on this trade. Now, if we're just waiting, like why this number is not coming out here? Anyway, like compared to what I see here, with those two, we had really good news for USD. USD started pumping here. So what we can see for gold is coming down really raising its question is, I think then if we are coming down, we got an obvious news that price may continue coming down, and we should be coming from a London low here, if I'm not wrong. So this is bad for USD, what we got. We were expecting 259, we got 269. This is a huge as well. But we got still better news for USD than gold should be pushing down here, but price always react from these highs we have. Or maybe weekly high we have. That means weekly candle might be keeping bearish once we do close below this area. Then so am I going to take any other chances here? For sure, yes. But I would like to wait and see how this candle is closing on 5 minute time frame. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait and see. But yeah, I'm not gonna be live till then. So again, if I will update you guys in the Discord group. So if you're not in the group, you can just join it through the link we have below in the description. So thank you for watching live here, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And hopefully, we're gonna be doing better tomorrow. So thank you for watching the live stream. I hope I see you in the next live stream. Bye bye.